Good morning, everyone out there in YouTube world. I hope you're having a fantastic Valentine's Day. We are definitely gonna have one here. As you can see, or as you may know, most of the country is in an absolute deep freeze right now. Texas is no exception to that. We are dealing with some pretty significant icing here. We also have a major winter storm coming through Austin tonight. All the parks are closed here. Six Flags is closed from it's beginning yesterday all the way through Monday. So they're closed down, and then SeaWorld closed down on today. They actually announced last night that they were closing down, and they're closed through the weekend, and they lost all of their Valentine's Day festivities. I think they had a dinner going on there and whatnot. So that's sad for them. And sad for the people that are not going to have Valentine's dinner tonight. But we are dealing with a major winter storm, weather in Austin, weather in Texas. We are definitely not used to this. The temperatures are going to be unbelievably cold here. Beginning today, our high was actually at midnight. It was 27 degrees, and we're going to be dropping throughout the day. We have 4 to 6 inches of snow on top of ice that we already have. And then on Monday, we don't really recover. We're at 17 degrees and our low is 8. And then Tuesday, 18 degrees and 1 degree outside, which will be in the top 5 all time of the coldest temperatures here in Austin, Texas. And then Wednesday, we have another winter storm coming in that's gonna have ice and snow, and the high is gonna only be in the 30s. So it's crazy, the weather here. I can't believe it. It's like Alaska here in Texas. And I know some of you guys are probably like, yeah, it's you know, we get that weather all the time, but we're just not used to it, and we don't have the infrastructure to be able to clear ice and to move snow. So we're gonna be pretty much paralyzed for the next few days. But we're still gonna have a fun Valentine's Day. We have some things to show you. We're gonna eat breakfast here. We have some gifts out there we're gonna be showing you guys that we got for the family. So we're gonna have a good day. And then we have a special dinner tonight. We're gonna eat HelloFresh. We got a HelloFresh special Valentine's dinner. HelloFresh sends you meals on a weekly basis. And we added this meal last week. It's chicken prosciutto. So I'm excited to show you guys that. We're gonna make that tonight. It's actually a 4-course meal. So we're gonna make that tonight. We're gonna make some breakfast here. Hope you're staying warm. I'm glad you're joining us. Let's get out here and let's take a look at the weather. So I don't know if the video here is gonna do this justice, but there is a thin layer of ice that is incredibly slippery. Look, I mean, this lady just slipped over there. She's walking here. Look how cautious she is walking. Oh, we don't want to see that, Sadie. But yeah, it's a thin layer of ice, and it is very slippery out. Sadie's actually slipping again. And the ice, there's ice on the grass, obviously. But yeah, this is solid ice. I mean, just solid ice. And then if you get out into the road, it looks like in certain areas, there's ice also. You can see my foot just slide right on it. So you can see just how someone could just end up in a ditch in this stuff. So it's incredibly dangerous out today. And it's still actually, if you feel the air out here, there's still a mist, a freezing mist going on. So yeah, we're gonna be doing this pretty much all day today and the next 5 or 6 days. Again, we don't do this in Texas, so this is gonna be different and unusual for us. But anyway, let's get back in the warm house and let's get some breakfast. We are going to Disney in 26 days. And we got him a bunch of Disney gifts, of course, because that's all we ever get them. You see, we got him these little fans. That's Disney. It's Mickey. Look how cool that is. Minnie Mouse with the fan, so to keep them nice and cool while we're there with their mask on. We got him Disney pin. This is Maleficent. Dami loves Maleficent. And then, yeah, Tina's not wanting me to touch the presentation, so I'm gonna mess it up. And then we have a lanyard. That's the villain's lanyard, right? Mm-hmm. And then Gabby got similar stuff. She got a fan. Let me press this button. I didn't know I could touch it again. This one says Mickey. Look how cute that is. So cute. And then we got them each cards. And they have $25 gift cards in them to Disney. I got a Pizza Planet hat. Look how good that looks for my beautiful wife. And then Tina knows I've been collecting pins. So I got a lanyard with Frozen pins. I put those on the wall. And then I actually got, if you guys know me, you know my affinity for Olaf. And I got Olaf, he goes on the bottom of my lanyard, which is cute. And I got Tina, she got a gift card to Hands on Healing, which is a spa here in Kyle. And she gets to have 2 1 hour. And there's Mammy. Mammy's coming in.
Lottie-dottie.
And here's Gabby's shirt. And there's Sadie over there. Look how cute that is.
I know.
It's all the dog shirts.
I like. There's Lottie. Sadie.
There's our friend's dog, Lottie.
She's not your friend.
That's Gabby's friend's dog. Look how cute it is.
There's no black labs, huh?
Nope, just a yellow.
I haven't seen it yet.
And here is more gifts. My beautiful daughter got me presents. This is a scratch time. I don't know what this is. What is that? Oh, golly. That's cool. So I got to scratch that. And I think I already know what this is. So here we go. My gift here. Look at this. Gabby knows. This is hard to find. And I think they started selling it at Target or Walmart or somewhere. That's Mike's hot honey. If you haven't had it, it's really good. Alrighty, a little scratch off thing here from Gabby. Let's see what it says. My first one says, Happy Valentine's Day. You are the best in the world. The whole world.
Yeah. Oh, man.
And I love you more than I love Pretzel Day. And that's a lot. I think everyone knows, or if you don't know, that's referring to an Office quote from Stanley and Pretzel Day. Alrighty, y'all, here's my breakfast. I have my crepe with hot honey sauce on it, some scrambled eggs, and some bacon. That's my Valentine's Day breakfast. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Hope you're staying warm. So here we are, y'all. It is about 5 o'clock in the afternoon now. The ice has picked up considerably. I don't know if you can really see that there, but there is there's solid ice all over the street now. It is 19 degrees. The wind chill is in the single digits right now. Pretty intense stuff going on. And the big part has not come yet. We're still a few hours away from the actual heavy snow. You can actually see the snow blowing, which is not much, I know, but it's not something you see in Texas. I think that's still ice, actually. There's a lot of ice blowing into my face now. Or sleet, maybe that's what it is. Come here, Sadie. Pretty intense. Gonna be a fun night, as long as everyone stays safe. Alrighty, y'all, you see the weather out there. We're about ready to make our Be Mine Prosciutto chicken meal. You can see that we actually have multiple courses here. Looks like we got some stuffed mushrooms. And then we have chicken.
we have mashed potatoes, we have asparagus, and then for dessert we have lava cakes. So this should be good. So you can see the HelloFresh meal comes in these nice little packages. We're actually cooking for 4 people, so we get 2 of everything. But here's all the ingredients. You can see we got our chicken, our bruschetta there. And then we got our rolls, come individually wrapped. Asparagus. Mike's Honey Hot Sauce, Gabby. We got the Mike's Honey Hot Sauce packages. That's gonna be yummy. Tomatoes. Panko breadcrumbs. Wow, ricotta. This one's got a lot of instructions to it. This looks like this is green herb blend. I don't even know what herbs are in there. More green herb blend. This has got a lot of ingredients. That's mozzarella cheese, another mozzarella cheese, and then tons of potatoes. My goodness, this is a lot. These are usually just a few ingredients. This one's got a ton. There's Italian seasoning. That looks like peanuts or pecans for the lava cakes. More pecans for the lava cakes. Everyone looks like they get a packet. And then you just have a variety of potatoes, lemons, and tomatoes in here. All right, first thing we're gonna do is just slice these baguettes crossways into 8 rounds, 14 rounds for 4, thinly sliced chives. All right, so I gotta find the chives. Tina's sliced all the baguettes into, wow, it's supposed to be 16. A little bit more than 16 there. It was, it's 32, my goodness, that's all. Wow, they gave us a lot. Alrighty, so we just took half the ricotta cheese, we seasoned with salt and pepper, we mixed it up, and then we're gonna wait for the baguettes to come out of the oven. It'll take about 5 minutes, then I'm gonna spread that on top, and then we're gonna use some of the Mike's Hot Honey, which ironically we have some. We're not gonna use the packets they gave us, and we're gonna put them on top of it along with the walnuts. Alright, so Tina pulled out the baguettes, and now she's putting the ricotta salt pepper mixture on top. And I have cut up the potatoes and the asparagus. Already in this bowl, I put together the mozzarella cheese, the panko breadcrumbs, Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper, and stirred it up. And this is going to be our crust for our chicken. Meanwhile, Tina you saw what she made the yummies here.
I was just plating them.
Plating them.
To eat.
So we're going to try to plate one of these. Let me taste one of these guys. Here we go. Oh. Not bad. All right, now we're gonna salt and pepper these guys. And then we're gonna take our panko seasoning and we are going to press it into each one of these so it makes a nice coating on top. Alrighty, so now we're going to take this chicken and put it in the oven on the top rack for 15 or 20 minutes. We just put our potatoes in. We're gonna let those boil. It says cover with 2 inches of water, bring the boil, and cook until tender. And now we're gonna get our bacon out and we're gonna fry it up also. Alrighty, we have everything done now. We're just waiting for the chicken to cook. Once the chicken comes out, then we're gonna put the asparagus in with the chicken. And we're getting closer. Already, the timer went off. It's been 15 minutes since we put the chicken in. Now we're going to put in our asparagus. I took the asparagus, I cut off the bottoms of them, and then I drizzled them with extra virgin olive oil and then tossed it, and then put salt and pepper on top. So this is gonna go in the oven for about 10 minutes, and the chicken's gonna continue cooking, and we're waiting for the potatoes to get done. They still haven't started boiling yet. Alrighty, and then I've diced the tomatoes up, and I used some of our greens there, the chives and the parsley, dice those up, and then I'm gonna take, I'm gonna half these lemons, and I'm gonna squeeze the lemon into the tomato mixture here, and that is to put on top of the chicken and with the bacon. So as I'm cooking dinner here, I just got this message from the
National Weather Service has placed Hays County under a winter storm warning from February 14th, 2021 going through February 15th, 2021, 12 p.m. Do not leave your house unless it is an emergency. Roads are closed throughout the county and local law enforcement are receiving reports of stranded motorists who cannot be reached due to the hazardous roadways. Conserve energy. Demand for electricity is expected to increase as temperatures remain below freezing. Conserving power could help keep our system from overloading during these weather conditions. Consider lowering the thermostat to 68 degrees, unplugging unused devices, and prepare for the possibility for loss of power. Provide adequate shelter to pets or bring them inside. Go to https://www.
Not something you hear every day around here. Alrighty, y'all, there you have it. Look at this. Everything's complete, everything's done. I broiled the chicken for a couple minutes to get the top crusty. So that actually looks really good, really well done. Mashed potatoes are done, and the asparagus is complete. And I spread some lemon juice on top of them, the leftover lemons that I had. So, alrighty, y'all, here we go. There it is, the finished product. We have our chicken with our bacon and bruschetta on top, our mashed potatoes, our asparagus. Sadie's interested in what I have. Alrighty, let's try this out. I'm excited. I'm gonna try this chicken first. It looks like it's good. Oh, nice crispy outside.
Just go away.
It's really good. Really impressed. The topping is really crispy. Now I know why they want me to put so much mozzarella in it.
Yeah.
It made the top really crispy. Bruschetta's nice. Good quality chicken. A nice big piece. Mashed potatoes are excellent. The asparagus is good. Everything is delicious. So a couple comments on this meal. You have to excuse the Time Life love songs that we're playing right now on Spotify. The meal is a lot of food. It's really good though. Just a lot of food to eat. I would definitely do this again. I think it worked out perfectly for us because, man, we got Celine Dion screaming in the back. It worked out well with the it worked out well with the weather and stuff. We were able to cook at home, so this actually worked out well. Normally we probably end up going out for Valentine's Day, but not this time. So anyway, this is a great meal. We have the food and cooking, or the dessert lava cakes and cooking right now. They cook on 350 for 10 to 14 minutes. So that'll be our dessert. Yo, here we go. This is our lava cakes. They were just bubbling a second ago. But yeah, there's really nothing else to do there other than just put them in the oven and let them cook for 14 minutes. I turned my lava cake upside down at the behest of my wife. She told me not to do it. I did it anyway. It's very chocolatey. It's really sweet. And it's really gooey, as you can see. If you want to develop diabetes quick, this would be the one to eat. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now. And then we're gonna do another one tomorrow over the storm. I'll probably stay up most of the night, but that'll be on the next video to watch the storm come through. I'm sure my trusty Sadie will be here with me through the nights. But we're gonna go ahead and close this one out. Hope everyone's staying warm out there. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you have not already. We do this on a regular basis, even in cold weather, warm weather, hot weather, sunny weather, cold, freezing, blizzard, Arctic vortexes. You must remember to live problem-free. We'll see you next time.